Okay, project of the day. It's Sunday, 3rd of July. Inspect these brakes. And if I have to, put these brand new rotors on. There's brakes. Let me look at the rotors. I heard them scrubbing the other day, and then, well, there's the shackles. Z-bolts. We're in. Only thing is these nuts are smaller than the ones that are on the back of the truck already. Factory. I'm pretty sure they're 22. I thought they were 24. Can't remember what. Yeah, that's why you said on. Yeah. So that's kind of worrisome. There you go. One of your doubt. Better fuck up. Hey, send me the shit. I probably won't ever get a nut on that one. That's probably a pain in the ass. I have to get a threader or something. But there it is. This project. I'm going to try to fix the truck today. And as you can tell, we got barbecue oils going on. They're smelling pretty good too. Yeah. So, then we'll clean the shop up. We'll get the shop clean. I got a project I was working on. It's all good.